Hello बच्चों, let's read the question. The question says how many neutrons and protons are there in the following nuclei. ठीक है, so these are the nuclei and let's do the question. So बच्चों, when a nuclei is represented like this X and this is Z and here it is A. Okay, so Z represents the atomic number. ठीक है, Z represents atomic number and atomic number क्या represent करता है? This represents the number of protons. नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स. ठीक है, एंड एटॉमिक मास क्या होता है बच्चों? ए इज एटॉमिक मास विच इज एटॉमिक मास विच इज द सम ऑफ नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स प्लस नंबर ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन्स. ठीक है, न्यूट्रॉन्स होते हैं. सो इन ए न्यूक्लियाई, इफ देयर इज ए न्यूक्लियाई, सो यू कैन रिप्रेजेंट द न्यूक्लियाई. Here it is represented as X, Z, A. ठीक है, where A is atomic mass, Z is atomic number that also represents the number of protons. ठीक है, and number of neutrons can be calculated by A minus Z. ठीक है, because atomic mass is equal to sum of atomic number of proton and number of neutrons. ठीक है, so what will be the number of neutrons? It is atomic mass minus number of proton or atomic number. ठीक है, so in this way we can calculate the number of proton and neutrons here. So the first nuclei is 6, C6 and 13, where the atomic mass is 13. Okay, number of protons, that is Z, is 6. So what will be the number of neutrons? It is 13 minus 6, that is 7 neutrons are there. In case of oxygen, 8 and 16, where atomic mass is 16, number of protons are 8. Okay, that is the atomic number, and number of neutrons are 16 minus 8, that is 8. In case of magnesium, 12, 24. Here the atomic mass is 24 and atomic number is 12. So this represents the number of protons. So number of neutrons are 24, okay, minus 12. So number of neutrons are 12 here. Next it is iron, Fe, 26 and 56. So your atomic mass is 56 and atomic number is 26. So number of neutrons are 56 minus 26, that is 30. In case of strontium, Sr, 38 and 88. So बच्चों यहाँ पे atomic mass is 88 and atomic number is 38. So this represents the number of proton. Neutron is 18, minus 38, that is 50. So this is the way how you can calculate the number of neutrons and proton in a nuclei. I hope you understood well. Best of luck.